Hi, I would just like to take a chance to show you my BH G5 road bike just before I'm going off for a ride. It has just been upgraded to Campanolo Super Record 11 speed, and I guess it's worth showing you the different components and how it's set up. As you can see here, it's a BH G5 road bike road frame from 2012, the same one the Continental team Burgos Castilla León is using. And it's set up in a complete Campanolo Super Record with Shimano wheels. The whole group set has ceramic bearings. You can see the wheels have ceramic bearings in the hubs. We've got ceramic bearings in the derailleurs and in the bottom bracket bearings. So it's a really smooth system. I don't need to say much about the gears and the group set because you've all had the great reviews about it. Pedals, you can see just some normal look here, nothing special at the moment. Carbon bottle cages. The San Marco is a saddle that came on my BH G5 bike. It's really comfortable. I like classical cycling saddles, so this just fits perfect for me. The front here, just a normal FSA stem with carbon bars. Really comfortable, really smooth. You can see I've got the little dinghy bell, which is really useful in Denmark because there's all these bike lanes and you have to overtake all the slow riders, especially me when I'm killing everyone. Yeah, bike computers just using the Garmin at the moment, combined sometimes with Polar. And the bike weighs about 6.8 kilos, so really light. It could be much lighter if I upgraded some components, but light enough, really smooth, great bike, love my ride, so I'm going out, so see you later.